So, assignment 3, group 5, bawal siya. Number 33, calculate the power dissipated by each resistor in the circuit. Figure 4.58. So, we have 3 first equations. So, you can see the first equation, -2 minus 3 is equal to 6i1 minus i2 minus 5i3. The second equation says 0 is equal to -i1 plus 16i2 minus 9i3. Third equation is 3 is equal to -5i1 minus 9i2 plus 21i3. So solving for I1, we get negative 989.2 milliamps. For I2, negative 150.2 milliamperes. And for I3 is negative 1.57. Yeah, so we're required to get the power dissipated in each resistor. So for P1 ohms, we get 703.9 milliwatts. And for P6 ohms, we get 135.4 milliwatts. And for P9 ohms, we get 41.62 milliwatts. Type pala. For P7 ohms, we get 172.5 milliwatts. For P5 ohms, 3.463 watts. So that's all. Thank you.